We have proved the left distributive law for the given set. Now we have to prove the right distributive law. So the third property is this: a plus b into v is equals to av plus bv. Now we have to take to prove the right distributive law, we have to take the two elements of the field. So first element was a c. Now let d be another element of the field, and d belongs to real numbers. So it will be c plus d into v. V means any element of the given vector, that is, we will take x1 till xn. The main law is c plus d into v should be equal to cv plus dv. So we have put the value of the x, and it would be x1 till xn plus d x1 till xn. We can write it as cx plus dx. So it is proved that c plus d into v is equal to cx plus dx, where x represents the v. So the right distributive law is proved. Now the fourth property is that we have to prove the associative law with respect to multiplication. That is, a into bv is equals to ab into v. Again, ab being the scalar elements of field and v being the element of the given vector set. That is, a into bv is equals to. Okay, now we have to prove the associative law with respect to multiplication. So here is a law. Here a and b are elements of field, and we have already defined two elements of field, which are c and d, and v is any element of the given vector, so we will take the x. So we will have to prove that c into dx is equal to cd into x. Now c into dx, x value x1 till xn, is equal to cd into x1 till xn. This comes to cd x. Now c into dx is equal to cd into x. So this law is proved. Now the last property is that whenever we multiply 1 with one of the elements of the given set, then the resultant element is also an element of the set, and then one is the multiplicative identity of the field. So now multiply 1 with x. X is one of the elements of the given set. Multiply and x value is x1 till xn. It is, and this belongs to Rn. So 1 is the multiplicative one will be the multiplicative identity of the given field f, which is also real numbers. So we have proved that the question we took that was Rn, set of real numbers up to n. Rn it is the vector space. So today's video ends here. I hope you learned something, and give a thumbs up and subscribe. Help your friend a little. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.